Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I'm going to head on into Dollar General here. I want to grab a couple of deals. Hopefully everything's in stock. And I want to see if I can find any penny items. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. Okay guys, so I am here at the clearance section, and if you guys have ever done penny shopping, you will know the clearance section is like the #1 section you want to check. So guys, you can see like it is tons and tons of stuff. So I'm just going to scan and scan and scan. I'm pretty sure I'm going to find some pennies, and I will come back and let you guys know. The main box I'm going to focus on is that one right there that says miscellaneous. Who knows how long that's been up there. There's probably some penny finds in there, so I will let you guys know shortly. Okay guys, so the store was too entirely crowded. It was kids screaming, parents yelling at the kids, managers fussing because the kids are screaming and making a mess. It was just too much going on in the store, so I didn't record anything in the store. Plus it was like tons and tons and tons of stuff to scan, and I didn't want to say, oh, this is a penny, that's a penny, and then the manager come over and start searching the clearance items and all of that. So I just bought everything, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing I found were these tablecloths. Now I don't know if like the other colors are a penny or not, because the only color that they had in the store was this violet, and it's round. But I do know that I got some oblong unicorn tablecloths the other day for a penny. So I'm just going to tell you, just scan all of the tablecloths, okay? And let me show you the UPC for this. It's lavender. I call it violet, but they call it lavender. But that is the UPC. And like I said, this was the only color that they had for me to scan. So I'm not sure if the other colors are a penny or not, but definitely the lavender round is a penny. And I got like 5 of them. These are going to be great for us to use at our paint and sips. Okay, something else that I found were these Studio Selection Shadow Blocker Armor eye pads. It's a 10 count. And they're by Studio Selection. Here is the UPC. Okay, I also found these by Studio Selection. They are the 2 replacement brush heads for their facial beauty brush. So if you have the beauty brush, you can get the replacement heads for a penny. I haven't found the beauty brush. I don't know if the beauty brush is full price or what, because I haven't found it, but I grabbed these because they were a penny. Someone can use them, or I'll donate them or whatever. But here is the UPC. Okay, I also found this. Is a collectible figurine. This is the puppy. I found the cat the other day, but I think there's 10 of them in the series. But these are great for Easter baskets, stocking stuffers. And here is the UPC. So guys, you just have to, when you go, especially in the clearance section, just scan, 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 scan everything. Especially if it's something that you haven't seen in the store or whatever in a long time. In the regular section. Okay, there are a bunch of crafters items in the clearance section. And they were like an extra 70% off during the clearance event. And now some of them have penny. So this is called washi tape. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it's like crafter's tape. So I found this one, and then I also found the plain one. Let's look at the UPCs. I don't know if the UPCs are different or not, but we'll find out shortly here. Okay, so that is the UPC for the plain one. And okay, sorry about that, guys. That was my mom calling. All right, so yeah, there are two different UPCs for these. So here they are. There's the plain and the color. And if you put the UPCs in your app, just because it says your store doesn't have it, that's not necessarily true. Remember, the app is run by a third-party company, so they may have it in stock or they may not. I just say go to the stores and just scan everything. Okay. All right, this was a nice find. This is the iconic Essence Braid Kinkalon hair, and this is 1B. So I don't know if other colors are a penny, but these were a penny. So I lucked up and got this, I think. Here is the UPC for that. I'm sorry, guys. My phone is like going crazy today. And like it didn't ring or buzz or anything the whole time I was in Dollar General. So look out for your braiding hair. That was a penny. 1 penny. Guys, I thought this was cute. What am I going to use this for? I don't know. But I just thought it was cute. It's a huge clothespin. It's a jumbo clothespin. Again, look. Crafter's Corner. And here is the UPC for that. Okay. These are probably dried out. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Just because the packaging looks so old. But I don't care. They're only a penny if they are dried out. But at least I can show you guys. They are the exfoliating pads by Believe. Okay. And here is the UPC. They don't feel like they're dried out, but that doesn't mean that they're not dried out. But we'll see. And if they are, oh well, they were just 1 penny. And then I found these. I thought these were cute. I'm going to put these in the unicorn Easter baskets I'm doing. It's a foam squishy. Look, it's the shape of a unicorn, but it's squishy. You just squeeze it. And here is the UPC for that. Here's another foam squishy thing. It's like a whale or a dolphin. I don't know, but it has a unicorn thing on it. So I don't know if it's a whale-a-corn, a uni-whale. I don't know what you call it. But here's the UPC for that one.